A poof is a large, solid cushion that is typically located in the ground surrounded by other pieces of furniture. They are a versatile accent piece that is perfect for any room in your home. More and more, poofs are showing up in interior design as a subtle yet trendy way to bring a room together. And poofs are a great piece of practical furniture for rooms that are going to be frequented a lot, like living rooms, nurseries, and bedrooms. Many people are confused about what the function of a poof is. They often get compared to ottomans because their uses are similar. And while their uses can overlap, i.e., they can be sat on, poofs and ottomans are different furniture items that are designed to be used for different things. For instance, some people opt to use ottomans in lieu of coffee table, but poofs wouldn't function well in that role. Another unique thing about them is that they are generally paired with something else. Poofs aren't meant to take the place of another piece of furniture like ottomans can do at times. They are designed to be an accessory that can pair with a variety of different things in your space, so they don't take away from existing furniture, but they add to it. It might not seem like it, but not all furniture pieces are meant to fit into any design, literally and figuratively. If something doesn't fit spatially, it will stick out like a sore thumb. And that also applies to poofs. Even though they are relatively small, they can throw off a design in a big way if not treated properly. Since they are an accessory, it's even more important for them to literally fit into your design seamlessly. If your poof is too big for the area it's intended to go in, it can look clunky and unnatural, which is the exact opposite of how a poof should look. To find the right shape and size for your poof, look at your space from different areas, pay attention to the angles of your room, and go from there. Poofs aren't only versatile in their utility, they are also versatile in their actual design. No matter what your style is, there are poofs that are designed to fit it perfectly. If you want a textile poof, you can find them in a variety of waves and colors. If you are more into raw materials, they can come in leather, sooty, and more. They also come in different colors so they can blend in with your color scheme or be a true accent piece and add a pop of color to your space. Poofs are a great and unique accessory that can tie a room and design together. When it's time for you to find a poof that's right for your home, be sure to find the best shape, size, and color to complement your design and tie it together. Thanks for watching. Until next time.